Ashutosh and I'm going to show you how to draw a house in AutoCAD. This is how it will look. It looked like this. So let's begin. First, click on line, go to this end over here, go up till here, go straight down here, and then go a little bit straight and come back down over here. And then just take this from there to all the way over here, so you get this. Then click on line, go from there to over here, and go a little bit up, come over here, and then come back down, and now press escape, go to line again, come to this end, go up, come here, go to this point over here, and click there, escape, then come right where that was, and if you did any measurement wrong, just click on the line where the measurement was wrong and then you can delete it. By pressing delete. If you still get the measurement wrong, then just go up from here. If you want your house to be very nice, you gotta make the measurements neat and clean. So this will be your finished house. And if you want, you can just add some windows and add a door to make it look like a house. And then you can choose circle to make a doorknob over here. And then you can make a circle window right over here. You can make the chimney if you want, but I don't want to make it. And to make the windows look more realistic, just do this. So you get this. Don't do that on the circle one because it won't come good. Now it's time to color it. How to color it is click on here, click hatch, and click solid, and then click over here, choose by layer, and then choose your color and color your house. In my case, I'm going to color my house yellow. Yellow. And if you want to color your house multicolored like what I want to do, or how it's over here, then all you need to do is after you hatch and make a color here, and if you want another color down here, then you click that color. This color also changes. So how to color it like that is press escape, come back, and then do it. You could choose any of these, but I like solid. You could choose angle and all these, but I like solid the most. And to color the door brown, if you want to color it brown, this is the closest color for brown, so I think this would be the best color to show it's brown, because it's the closest one in here. This is the house. If you want to add trees, I can tell you how to add trees. There, you could just go make a small rectangle, like a small one, and then add this circle over here, so then it looks more like a tree. If your house is close to the tree, like mine, then make it like this, so it doesn't affect the house. And make it small for the one like that. Just like that. And to color them, you can do the same thing. Color the trees green and also over here. Then choose the closest color to brown. Yeah, if this message pops up, just check what is the problem. I fixed my problem, which was right there. Okay, now. And if you don't want your trees to be seen like this, just edit them out. No. I'm gonna leave mine just like that. Okay, if you want to color the grass, then choose any grass color. Grass, whatever. Okay, this will be your house. Your finished house for sure. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. And before you leave the video, save in AutoCAD. You gotta save the drawing. I'm just gonna save it as how to Thank you for watching. Bye.